distractions abound and thoughts spin. We're bombarded with sounds both near and far. A symphony of chaos, a relentless war. Oh, less noise, let the clamor cease. Grind to silence, bring our minds release from the cacophony that clouds our days to a realm of tranquility where focus sways. Amidst the chaos, a yearning grows for clarity, for peace, for where knowledge flows. We seek a refuge, a sanctuary deep, where thoughts can gather, where dreams can leap. But more focus, let clarity shine. Guide our minds, make our thoughts align. Through the distractions, the noise, the fray, to a realm of concentration, where brilliance holds sway. Oh, more focus, let clarity shine. Guide our minds, make our thoughts align. Through the distractions, the noise, the fray, to a realm of concentration, where brilliance holds sway. In the quietude, a symphony unfolds, where less becomes more, a story untold. For in the absence of noise, the mind takes flight, soaring to heights, bathed in pure light.
World on fire, notifications like sirens blaring. Brain on overload, gotta hit the middle there and less noise, that's the key. Silence like meditation, unlocks the power within, fuels my creation. Ditch the distractions, mute the chatter in my head. Laser focus like a champ, leave the doubts for dead. More focus, yeah, that's the zone I gotta reach. Inner peace and clarity, unleash what I can reach.
In the quietude, a symphony unfolds, where less becomes more, a story untold. For in the absence of noise, the mind takes flight, soaring to heights, bathed in pure light. World on fire, notifications like sirens blaring. Brain on overload, gotta hit the mental daring. Less noise, that's the key. Silence like meditation, unlocks the power within, fuels my creation. Ditch the distractions, mute the chatter in my head. Laser focus like a champ, leave the doubts for dead. More focus, yeah, that's the zone I gotta reach. Inner peace and clarity, unleash what I can preach. In the quietude, a symphony unfolds, where less becomes more, a story untold.